Good morning, students. Today's topic is mole concept. Mole means heap. It number of moles we can calculate it by the two formulas. First is number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. And second formula is number of moles is equal to given number of particles like atoms, molecules, ions, etc. Divide by Avogadro number, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. By the help of these two formula, we can easily calculate the number of particles, number of moles and mass. Now let's start numerical. Question number 1. Calculate the number of oxygen atom present in 120 gram of HNO3. HNO3 is nitric acid. First of all, apply this formula. Here we calculate the number of atom. Mass is given. It means here I will apply this formula. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Putting this value here, given mass is given 120 gram. And how will you calculate the molar mass? As we have already told, hydrogen atom is 1 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen is also 1 plus nitrogen atom is 1 multiply atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 plus oxygen atom is 3 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16. After calculating this is 63U. But here we use in the gram molecular mass. So 63G means U changes into the G means gram molecular mass. After putting this value means given mass divided by molar mass is equal to number of particles means we have to calculate the atoms only. So the number of atoms that is supposed to be X divide by Avogadro number. This is the formula of number of moles. After cross multiplication, X is calculated. 120 multiply 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 63. But here we have to calculate only oxygen atom, not nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Here oxygen atom is 3 means after calculating this you have to multiply into 3 because oxygen atom is 3, then multiply by 3. After multiplication, this is the answer means this is the number of oxygen atoms. Next question, calculate the number of particles in 46 gram of sodium atom. Here mass is given, we have to calculate the number of particles. Same formula is applied here. A number of moles is equal to given mass, that is 46 divided by molar mass. Molar mass is not here, this is the atomic mass because the sodium atoms are present, not in the form of molecules. So here sodium atomic mass is 23, that is equal to X. X is the number of particles divided by Avogadro number. After cross multiplication, the answer is 1.205 into 10 raised to power 24 atoms of sodium. Next question, calculate the number of particles in 8 gram of oxygen means O2. Same formula is applied here, given mass divided by molar mass, that is equal to number of particles. Atomic mass means O2 molecule. O2 molecule means molecular mass means 2 multiply 16, that is equal to 32. is equal to x divided by Avogadro number. After cross multiplication, the answer is 1.51 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Here we have to calculate the number of particles in the form of molecule, because oxygen is in the form of O2. O2 is a molecule. Now the next question is calculate the number of particles in 0.1 mole of carbon atom. Here atoms are present and 1 mole is given, means no to molecular mass. This is the number of moles. Apply the same formula. Number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Here number of moles is 0.1. 0.1 is equal to x divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Direct value is put here. After cross multiplication, this is the answer. We have to easily calculate the number of atoms. Now next question is very important for your exam. Calculate the number of molecules of S8, means sulfur, present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. Here we have to calculate only number of molecules and mass is given. Means apply this formula. Number of moles, that is given mass is 16 divided by molar mass. First we have to calculate the molar mass, that is S8. 8 multiply 32, that is 256 gram. 16 divided by 256 is equal to number of molecules, that is supposed to be x divided by Avogadro number. After cross multiplication, we can easily calculate the number of molecules. Next question, calculate the number of molecules in 4 gram of methane. Methane, molecular formula of methane is CH4. So we have to calculate the number of molecules, that is equal to supposed to be x. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 4 and molar mass of methane is 16. We can calculate here. CH4, 1 atom of carbon multiply atomic mass of carbon is 12.